The LED Display Cloud Platform is a professional control system for the LED display using the Internet. The display can be accessed to the Internet using 3G, 4G module, Wi-Fi module, or the cable network. Next is the operation of the platform. Firstly, visit www.led/cloud.com via Internet Explorer of the computer and register. The second step is to set the parameters of the server into the controller and to make the controller binding with the created account. Open HDPLAYER in the computer, click Setting Cloud Server, enter the password 168, then enter the address of the server and the user account. If the 3G, 4G module is used, insert the SIM card into the control card. The connection status of 3G, 4G can be checked in the HDPLAYER. If the Wi-Fi network is used, click the Wi-Fi button of HDPLAYER to confirm the connection status. When using the cable network, the controllers will be connected to the server automatically once power is on. Thirdly, log in the server www.led/cloud.com. The icon turns green once the controller is connected to the server successfully. Then click Program Material to upload images and videos to the server. These images or videos can be used to make new programs. Click Program Manage, New Program to create a program for the display. Video, image, and text programs can be added freely. After editing and saving, click Release to send the program into the display. The program can be sent as a new one or to replace an existing one. Enter the device management details to delete the existed programs. Select one controller from the Device Manage to see more functions. Firstly, the time correction. Click the icon. The time in the controller will be set to the same as the server. Secondly, the brightness settings. The default mode is for fixed brightness setting, and for the custom mode means different brightness value can be set according to different time period. The brightness sensor is needed in automatic mode. The brightness of the display will be automatically adjusted according to the environment in this mode. Thirdly, the timing switch. The LED display can set power on or off according to different time periods. Finally, the Task Manage. All operation history of the server is stored here, including release records, delete records. That is all for the operation of the LED Display Cloud Platform. Thank you for using products of Huidu Company.